Afrox is proud to be part of the diverse farming sector, and our Agrigas offer serves the farming community with its unique needs and requirements, from cutting, heating and welding applications to gas solutions and technical support services. The Agrigas offer is specifically tailored for farmers and includes industrial oxygen and acetylene gas, shielding gas, food fresh, ripe gas and sulfur dioxide. These products are available at appointed outlets and co-ops. Afrox's in-depth understanding of the agricultural sector ensures customized solutions to the farming community through our extensive range of products. We lead the way in offering simplicity, practicality and value to our customers through a specific commercial policy for the agricultural industry. Our unique and exclusive gas offer to the agricultural market includes a once-off non-refundable maintenance fee with lifetime maintenance costs and no monthly rental fees. The Agrigas offer is available in various gas types and cylinder sizes to suit your business. Visit afrox-gas.co.za to explore the best and most cost-effective solution, or contact our call centre on 0860 02 0202.